These are the showpieces, some of them, in the Alaska Railroad gift shop. Going over the top of the glass, see if you can see it any better. Hi there. I've got a friend who can't get out, and so I promised him I would show him what we saw today so he can send it down to his folks in the lower 48. Well, that's a nice piece. Very nice. Just for giggles and grins, how much are your aprons?
$24.95.
Really?
Yes.
And they've got 3 pockets in the front?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. I got something over here I think you might be interested in.
Oh, you need to speak up, honey.
I said there's something over here I think you might be interested in.
Okay. And that's cute. Fortunately for us, we required to have 2 license plates here, which is kind of a bummer. I'd definitely like to have that on if we didn't have to. And the glare is bad, I realize that. And it's the 27th of February, so it would usually be the end of February, but this year, 2023, it's a leap year, so.
You know, I'd probably put that license plate on my Corvette. You don't have to get it, Gary.
If you'd like it, you may have it.
Are you gonna put it on?
Well, no, but we'll put it in the house. We'll put it with the trains at some point in time. Well, they even have pillows. Railroad pillows. Oh, here we go. A few more trains. Now, Sherry's got me some of this train stuff in the past, including an engineered teddy bear, which is seriously cool. This is a gentleman who got my eye and told me what the prices were. I guess if you're going to put it on the wall, you should probably put that on there with it, huh? Now this is a little low there. This is another part of the display for sale. I'll give you some idea of what they've got and how much it costs. Fortunately, the cabinet is not conducive to this. Now, if you're going to have a car with 3 locomotives and 10 or 12 cars, then you can see you've got the very best part of $2,000 just in that one train. And another oldie, and let's see if we can see that price tag. If we can get that on the screen, I don't know if I can see that or not. And then here's another one.